What would you do with this leftover amla powder and fenugreek oil and fenugreek that's left over after straining? You can feel free to use this in your other hair masks. I would boil this and strain this again, maybe with some other powders, some hibiscus brahmi, but I'm going to set this aside until I'm ready to use it as well. Now this oil I would use in between using my other oils. So sometimes when I've maybe put fenugreek moringa oil to infuse and I'm waiting for it maybe a week or two, I would use this in the meantime until it's ready. So while it's infusing, I would use this, because this you could literally use right away because it's been brewing for maybe 2 hours in a double boiler. You can use it right away in your hair for your hot oil treatments, you could add it to your hair masks, deep conditioning, as your growth oil for your scalp to massage your scalp and so on. If you use this oil, please let me know in the comments below. Ciao.